What if I told you that in 2025, people are not just using AI for fun, but they are making real money? The truth is, AI is not coming, it is already here. While people are scared about this AI will take their jobs, smart people are learning how to use it to create new income streams. In this video, I will show you 4 powerful AIs that can make you real money in 2025. These are not scams. These are tools used by freelancers, YouTubers, marketers, and designers all around the world. So if you are ready to turn your smartphone or laptop into a money-making machine, stay with me because this one is a real game changer. Welcome back to this channel. If you are new here, my name is called Mose Wamkota. I am your friend and this is Online Money Tech, where we talk about finance, best ways to make money online, digital tools, and smart ways to grow your income in the new economy. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Like this video and share this video with your friends who want to start AI journey. Now let's start with the 4 AIs that you can make money with in 2025. Now before we continue, let me know in the comments how many AIs so far do you know. The first AI on our list is Chatgpt, and I know you've probably heard about it. But what you may not know is that people are using it to make real money. Chatgpt is a writing and idea generation AI powered by OpenAI. Now you can use Chatgpt on freelance writing platforms such as Upwork and Fiverr. And also you can use this AI to create YouTube scripts, ebooks, and even write blog posts for clients. Now let's take a real example. If you go to Fiverr and create a gig like this, I will write a professional blog post using AI. Clients will be coming to you for you to write for them AI generated blog post. And you can use Chatgpt to generate content on this platform, and you can earn from $10 to $30 per article here on Fiverr. You can use Chatgpt to summarize books. For example, there is a book that I wrote and I published it on Amazon KDP, and it is generating passive income. I used Chatgpt to summarize my chapters and titles. You can also use Chatgpt to create product descriptions and to build your affiliate marketing content. Here is a tip. Always edit what Chatgpt gives you. Make it sound natural and personal. This one will build trust with your clients. So when it comes to making money online with Chatgpt, I can give it 9 out of 10. So the next AI that you can make money with in 2025 is called Canva Magic Studio. This is a total game changer for designers and creators. Now you no longer need Photoshop or expensive softwares to create designs. Canva now uses AI tools such as Magic Write, Magic Edit, and Text to Image, all built in one platform. So Mose, how can I make money with Canva Magic Studio? You can create YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, and business flyers for clients. You can go to Facebook and create a page and call it Canva Magic Pro Designer. Then you can find clients who need social media posts or even business flyers. You can create design for them and charge a certain amount of money using this Canva Magic Studio. Examples of clients who have YouTube content creators, Instagram content creators, even social media posts. Another best thing that I personally love doing is I create designs on Canva, then sell on marketplace such as Etsy. Creative Fabrica, and even Gumroad. So Mose, how do you sell on Etsy? For example, I can create a wall art on Canva, then I can go and open a shop on Etsy. Then those designs that I've been creating on Canva, you can take them to your shop on Etsy. And on Etsy, you will find a lot of tools that will help your shop to grow. You can also print t-shirts. For example, you can start a small business, buy plain t-shirts, then print on them the designs that you have designed on Canva. Then you resell these t-shirts at a certain price. Use Canva's magic resize to create multiple versions of the same design for different platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Our third AI that you can make money online with is called Pictory.AI, and this is definitely for videos. Now Pictory allows you to turn text or article into fully edited video with stock footage, music, and voiceover automatically added. This means that you can start a YouTube channel without showing your face. Mose, how can I make money with Pictory.AI? You can offer video creation services for clients. For example, if there is a marketing agency who needs to advertise their marketing tools, you can use this Pictory.AI to create videos for that marketing agency. And you can charge anywhere from $20 to $50 depending on the complexity of that video. But your work here will be just very easy. You will just pick here and then drop to Pictory.AI, and then you make money online very quickly. And you can turn a blog post into monetizable videos. Let's take an example. If you write a script using Chatgpt, then paste it into Pictory. This Pictory.AI will generate full video for you in just minutes. Then you can upload that video on YouTube, then earn money through ads, affiliate marketing, and even sponsorship. Choose a niche like motivational videos, finance tips, movie recaps, and even AI trainings. These niches are mostly faceless and they have a large viewership on YouTube. And they also have high CPM, meaning that YouTube pays more per 1,000 views. The fourth one is mind-blowing, and this is Ellevenlab. It is an AI voice generator that sounds incredibly real. Yes, Mose, I know Ellevenlab, but how can I use it to make money online in 2025? Use Ellevenlab to create voiceovers for YouTube videos and ads. You can use these voiceovers to narrate ebooks and even podcasts. And once you know how to use Ellevenlab, my friend, you can go to Fiverr and sell your professional voiceover services. You can even clone your own voice and use it to produce multiple videos at once. Now combine Chatgpt, Ellevenlab, or even you can use your own voiceover to sound natural, and then you combine it with also Pictory.AI, and you can automate the entire YouTube channel. And that is how AI creators are making over $1,000 a month quietly. Can we combine all these 4 AIs to bring a real income? Yes. Use Chatgpt to generate content ideas and video scripts. Then Magic Studio to create thumbnails, visuals, and branding. Use Pictory.AI to turn the script into videos. And finally, use Ellevenlab to generate professional voiceovers. Then upload your videos on YouTube or offer services on Upwork and Fiverr. This is how modern online entrepreneurs are working smarter, not harder. So these are 4 powerful AIs that you can make money with in 2025. You don't need to be a tech expert. You just need creativity, consistency, and willingness to learn. And remember, AIs won't replace you, but someone using AI will. So start today. Pick a tool, master it, and then start using it to make money online. So if this video inspired you, please like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who is ready to grow with the AI. So comment below, are you going to start with the Chatgpt, Pictory.for.ai, Canva Magic Studio, or Ellevenlabs? I'm Mose Wamkota, and this is Online Money Tech. James chapter 4 verses 3. The Bible says, "You ask and receive not, because you ask amiss, that you may consume it upon your lusts." God bless you. Till the next time. Bye.